Okay, so all we need for 1 pint of gelatin solution is 25 milliliters of each of these. Okay, so we have 30 of that. So we have enough already mixed to do one batch. Half a quart. So we want to divide this by 8.
It's a half.
Oh my
So
god.
160.
Okay, 0.32. That's okay.
Oh, cool. Okay. It should be like a half of a fluid ounce.
Yeah, I would say that's
Roughly cover
roughly
like
half.
halfway up the line. And now to that we add 1 pint cold water. Start stirring like even just like now because if you don't have motion, it's gonna come up real fast. It's hard. It's gonna soften up pretty fast. Look at that beautiful gelatin. So this is the consistency it'll have when we're actually pouring it onto the.
Got it.
She says give it 24 hours secure in the printout. So. Cool.
Do you feel like all the chunks?
Yes.
Ew. It did come out pretty disturbingly.
I think the rubbing alcohol and nail polish remover basically just like remove all sort of traces of like soap and any sort of like residual whatever there might be. So she said to pour enough on so that roughly, I think she said 70, she might have said 60, but we're gonna see, percent of the surface area is covered. And then stop pouring. And then we just shake it around, and the edges of the glass basically keep it in place until we don't. Okay, I think that might be pretty close to as good as I'm gonna be able to get this one right now. So, we're not going for perfectionism here. This is really, you know, right? An entire experiment.
Yeah.
So, get your glass and give it a go. This is so
Scared.
You're doing great.
Yes. He got the technique down.
Yes.